So here's how to connect Shopify with Amazon. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you have to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now you have to click on the apps option at the bottom left corner. After that, in the search bar, you have to simply type in Amazon Spreader. Now it will take you to this page where you have to click on this app to install it onto your Shopify store. If you want to dropship through Amazon on Shopify or you want to promote your affiliate products, you can simply install this app. Now you have to click on the install option. Moving on to the next page, here you will be able to view this install app option at the top right corner. By clicking on this option, as you can see, our app has been successfully installed. If you want to promote your affiliate products from Amazon, you have to click on the Amazon Associates link. If you don't have already an account, you have to first create an Amazon Associate account. To import products from Amazon to Shopify, you have to simply go to your Amazon store. Then you have to select the product and copy the URL of your product. Now go back to the dashboard of the app. Here at this page, you have to paste your URL and then click on the add product option. Take a look here, as you can see that the product has been successfully added. Now click on the sync option and then again click on the sync now option. After that, your products will be successfully imported to your Shopify store. So here's how to connect Shopify to Amazon.